तू माझ्या जागेत येऊन दाखव तुका माझी कसं बोलू नका. यू डोंट रेज द वॉइस अँड टॉक. बंद करपाची. इट इज देअर लँड. दे हॅव फुल राईट. व्हॉट यू आर सेइंग? हाय म्हणतो दे विल स्टॉप यू. फर्स्ट यू सेटल अवर डिमांड. अदरवाइज डोंट स्टार्ट. What you are saying? No, I have noticed your tone and other tone. Your tone was high when you were standing. Why your tone was raised? One thing you realize: you are working in their land. You are working in our land. It is my demand. If my land I don't want to give, I don't want to give. Why you to tell me? You don't raise the voice. You better. He rose up nicely, Prakash. He said, "We will do with understanding." So much time I was schooled. For last 1 hour I was trying to cool down. That is not. बंद करपाचं उलयला म्हणजे कितें? आमचे कितें उपकार करतात तुम्ही? You are thinking you are being favor or not? What Bicholim got for last 50 years? Only dust. Not a single district facility. Bicholkar sir. You tell me, show me. Can anybody show me what Bicholkar sir got?